as I prepare to go out into the bullshit. I used to get to see a better view of this damn drift. Look at this shit here. I say you can see the sidewalk in places, and in other places it's high, and then there's super drift. Alright, let me close this door. Now, like I said, this shit is insane. That little trench there, that shit got it right where the tree was. Feeling like they got way over here. Go Boots car. Hey Boots car. Ooh shit, this way ain't no park. And the alley is clear and icy. This shit is insane. Whew. This is a mess out here. How you doing this morning? Shit. Ooh-wee. So, yeah, we definitely got some snow this time around. God damn. Say, I could almost drive my car out of there. But Boots is in trouble. And like I said, it's like you got drift here and then completely clear sidewalk. Shit is nutty. I'm taking my ass out. Oh wait, didn't shot a super drift from the back. But here you can see the whole building. But look at that shit. Like I said, shit gotta be about 6 feet. It looks like hell! Oh, actually, I'll say about 5 feet now that I'm standing next to it. But it is big, though. Alright, in the house I go. Sayonara!